scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Meter stick balance problems get easier when you turn them into torque equations because every hanging mass and the stick must balance around the fulcrum. For the meter stick to stay balanced horizontally, the total clockwise torque must equal the total counterclockwise torque about the fulcrum, so we compare each mass's pull by its distance from the pivot. Taking counterclockwise torque to equal clockwise torque, we write the turning effect from the hanging cylinders and include the uniform stick's weight acting at its center, then simplify the equation carefully. Solving the simplified equation gives 20m equals 4,000, so dividing both sides by 20 gives m equals 200 grams, and that locks the mass. Well done! Option B, scan now. The trap is rushing signs. The rule is trust the given setup and check each torque step.